Hello friends! Is your cruise control system acting unpredictably, engaging and disengaging without warning? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0593, it means there's an issue with the cruise control multifunction input C circuit range performance. This can cause your cruise control to work erratically, leading to an uncomfortable driving experience and potential safety risks. In this video, I'll explain what P0593 means, its symptoms, where to find the key components and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0593? The P0593 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input C Circuit Range Performance. This indicates that the Engine Control Module, ECM, is detecting an abnormal voltage or signal fluctuation from the cruise control's input circuit labeled C. In simpler terms, the system isn't receiving the proper input for functions like setting or resuming cruise control, which causes erratic behavior. Common symptoms of P0593: cruise control not engaging reliably, cruise control disengaging unexpectedly while driving, unresponsive or erratic behavior of cruise control buttons on the steering wheel, check engine light, CL, illuminated on the dashboard, erratic vehicle speed readings or rough engine idle when cruise control is activated. If these symptoms match what you're experiencing, let's locate the faulty component. To diagnose P0593, you'll want to inspect these key components. Cruise control multifunction switch. Location, typically integrated into the steering wheel or on the turn signal stalk. This switch sends the set, resume, or cancel signals to the ECM. Clock spring, steering column wiring assembly. Location, behind the steering wheel within the steering column. A damaged clock spring can cause intermittent signal loss from the multifunction switch. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, mounted above the brake pedal under the dashboard. If this sensor malfunctions, it can mistakenly disable the cruise control system. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, on the throttle body near the intake manifold. Erratic throttle data can affect cruise control operation. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, running from the steering wheel components to the ECM, often around the dashboard and engine bay. Faulty wiring or corroded connectors may cause low or erratic signal performance. Tip: always inspect all relevant wiring and connectors, as even minor corrosion or loose pins can lead to signal issues. Common causes of P0593: faulty cruise control multifunction switch. Over time, the internal contacts may wear out, leading to inconsistent signals. Damaged clock spring. A cracked or worn clock spring will intermittently disrupt the electrical connection from the steering wheel controls. Wiring issues or corrosion. Damaged or corroded wiring can result in improper voltage levels reaching the ECM. Faulty brake or throttle position sensors. Incorrect readings from these sensors can interfere with cruise control operation. PCM-ECM misinterpretation. Although rare, an internal fault in the ECM may misread the inputs from the cruise control circuit. How to fix P0593. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0593 code and check for any additional related codes. Step 2. Inspect and test the cruise control multifunction switch. Replace the switch if the voltage readings are erratic. Step 3. Examine the clock spring by checking for any loose connections or visible damage. Replace it if necessary. Step 4. Test the brake pedal and throttle position sensors using a multimeter. Clean or replace if they provide inconsistent signals. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors for signs of corrosion or damage and repair or replace as needed. Step 6. Reset the ECU and perform a test drive to ensure the cruise control functions properly after repairs. Ignoring P0593 can leave you without a reliable cruise control system, making long highway drives both frustrating and unsafe. Fixing this issue early ensures that your cruise control works smoothly and that your car runs efficiently. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0432, catalyst temperature sensor low, bank 1. P0433, catalyst temperature sensor high, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.